Guys, and we are discussing here the Caroline Chisholm School, and in this one we are discussing the middle years. So, middle schooling is a term that refers to an organizational structure. So, before go ahead, I want to share something. We are providing online tuitions for your children. If you need tuitions for your children, so you can contact us on our WhatsApp number, which is given here on your screen, which is 900-936-8238. This is an Indian number, so put a 91 on ahead of the number. So the okay, so what is referred to organizing structure that is proactive in addressing the unique developmental needs of early adolescents. And now here are some activities that you can see, which is some athletics and many more. Now we can see here is the timetable which is showing on our screen, which is so this is a Monday timetable, then the Tuesday Friday time. So Monday timetable is here. The contact classes 9 to 5, and then time block 1, time block 2, break 1, 3, 4, break 2, break 3. So here is this full uh, timetable is given here for Tuesday and Friday. For Tuesday and Friday, we have also some timetable given here. So now in the next video we will discuss about other queries also. If you have other queries, you can contact us. Thank you so much.